I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, you're gonna wanna download Canva. Go in your Canva. This is mine right here. I'm gonna press a new one. And you're gonna type in YouTube banner. Okay, after you typed in YouTube banner and clicked on it, you're gonna wanna, this is what I use for mine, my YouTube colors. But you can pick any color you want. You're gonna wanna add text, add a heading, and type in your channel name. Okay, after you typed in your channel name, you're gonna wanna change your font style to Brixton, y'all. Okay, you want to type in Brixton, put that in the middle, add another heading, type the channel name again, and you're going to want to change this font to Brittany. Okay, make this one really bigger. And you're going to want to go to, where is it? Where's effects on there? We're in a pickle, y'all. Oh, here we go. Go to effects, neon, and the color. Change it to like a lighter color of your here, let me show y'all. Make it lighter. And actually, this is not supposed to be in all caps, so let's go ahead and fix that. That's what I did. And you're gonna make that bigger than your first one. And you're just gonna like size them accordingly. This one's gonna go like directly in the middle. And make this one overlap it just a little bit. So after you have that, that's what I did for mine. Okay, it's supposed to be mine right here. I picked the wrong one. This neon text right here, that's going to be bigger than this one. It's going to overlap it, and it's going to be just like a shade lighter than your background color. Now you're going to want to go to Elements and type in subscribe. Just pick up one of these ones. I just went ahead and chose this one. Put that under here in the middle, make it a little bit smaller. And also type in corners. Pick this one right here. Change the color to white. Make that about that size. Put in the corners. Then you're going to want to go to Elements again. Type in record. This one right here. Probably that big. And we're going to drag it up here. You're going to want to make another page. Add page. And I'll take the background color off. This part, you're going to want to take a screenshot of your Instagram page. So I would say this one right here. Make it fit on the page. Make it cover up all of it. Every inch of the page needs to be covered by this. You're going to want to type in iPhone. Click that one right there. Turn it. And make it a little bigger. You're going to want to go on your Instagram, screen record your page. Here, I'll show you in a second what it's going to look like. Okay guys, for this next step, the audio did end up getting cut, but you're going to want to open up your Instagram page, scroll on your pictures and like them, and keep scrolling. And you're going to want to do that until you reach probably about 9 seconds, 9, 10, 11. Okay, on this part, you're going to want to size it to where it fits inside the iPhone template. For this next step, you're going to want to go ahead and click position and click backward so where it goes underneath the template to make it look like it's an actual phone instead of an overlay. Then you're going to go to add text, click add a heading, and you're going to type in connect with me. Then you're going to go to the font and you're going to type in Yasiva 1. Then you're going to change your font color to black. Then you're going to click on effects and go to echo. Now you're going to want to go to elements, type in circle, click on this circle right here, make it the color of your YouTube, turn it whatever color you turned your first page. Then you're going to go in elements, click tab, click the one you want, size it down and change the color of it also. I changed mine to white. After you have that ready, go to position, and I accidentally picked backward, but you're going to click forward so that your circle is in front of your tab. Then after you have that, you're going to move your circle in front of the end of your tab. And these tabs are for your social media ads. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in whatever icon you want. Pick an icon, and you're going to put it onto, see that pink bubble I have there? You're going to resize that and add that to that bubble. Next, you're going to want to go to text, click add a heading, and you're going to put your at on this. And I'm going to change the color to black and resize it and put it on top of my tab. Now you're going to want to go to elements again, type in square, pick this one right here. And I made mine pink because my first page is pink. Then go to transparency and turn it all the way down to about 65. Now you're going to want to go to position and click backward until it hits to where it's behind the phone. Now you're going to go to the top over here, press play video to see if you like how it looks. After you see how it looks and you like it, you're going to go over here, click download. Click on this button right here. Don't click PNG, but click MP4 video. Then you're going to download that. Okay, once this is done downloading for you, you can change the name to whatever you want, but you don't have to. Save that. Open your Capcut. Let me show you. And what I did was I went on my phone, typed in no copyright sounds, screen recorded the sound I wanted, cropped it, inserted audio here. Here, let me show you guys real fast. Okay, that's the audio I have right here. What I did was I pressed audio, extract audio, picked the one I needed, came here, pressed that. Oops. I hope that didn't mess it. And crop it to how you like it. And we're gonna listen to that real fast, see if that's good, how we like it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fan.
Okay, so now that we have that, you're done, you're good to go. And you're going to want to, all you're going to want to do is export that. It's going to look different if you're doing it on a phone, but it's about the same process. You could probably figure it out. It's easier to do on a phone than it is to do on a computer. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.